In our offices on 4th floor, Uganda House, when the police threw a tear gas into the building, holding African booth at ground floor. The fire started coming up. We had to jump from 4th floor, break the windows. You can see how we came down. Otherwise, we would have been burned alive. We broke up and used the post of electricity to come down. Luckily, none of the 37 people who were in the building was injured. It was miraculous that we survived, and we thank God for everything. I don't know because everybody left, but I can account that the number of advocates that were present, all of them are safe. We have counted everybody is safe. Shadrach Omari is safe. Sam Nyaberi is safe, and the others are safe. So we hope that by the end of the day, we'll know if there were injuries. But definitely, there were a few people who got injuries because from 4th floor jumping up to the ground.